Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to show you guys how I cover up like my thinning areas or like patchy areas. I know I'm not the only one that struggles with thin, fine hair. It looks luscious, but it's actually very thin, and I don't have that much going on. And obviously you can see a lot of my scalp when I part my hair. And as for the back as well, you see when I have my hair back, you see what I mean? Like you can still see a little, I mean it's not too bad, but it's very thin and I don't like it like that. I like a more full look, like voluminous, like if I have a thicker hair. So I have a couple products to show you that I use. So the first one that I'm going to show you is from Everpro, and it's called Gray Away. It looks like this. It's got a little ribbon to open it. Basically it's a powder, and on the bottom it comes with like this little applicator, and that one retails for about $11, give or take, depending on where you can find it. I can find it at my local Ulta and Walgreens, and that's pretty much it. I haven't seen it anywhere else. The next product is from Nicka K, and it's the hair concealer. It's supposed to be waterproof and gray hair coverage. They're both supposed to be gray hair coverage. You're supposed to just like glide it against like the gray hair, and it's supposed to stay all day. I haven't personally tested it. I do have gray hairs, but it's not like enough for me to want to like cover up. And honestly, I don't really care to cover up my gray hairs. I don't mind it. And when you open it, it's the same thing, except the mirror is like a little flip mirror. And here is the applicator. And as you can see, all the applicators are like this soft puff kind of material. It's not like a sponge or like a brush. I've seen some with brushes, but I've tried those and I don't really like the brush application. But anyways, this one is about $4, and the only place I've seen this was at my local beauty supply store, quite a few of them actually. So you might want to check your local beauty supply store. Maybe they sell that. And the third option is you can use eyeshadow, any color eyeshadow that will match the roots of your hair. But what I do recommend is make that eyeshadow specifically for your hair. Don't use any eyeshadow that you occasionally use for your eyes. Just make one eyeshadow specifically for your hair, because you don't want to cross-contaminate, you know, bacteria and all that stuff. You don't want to have like the oils of your hair in your eyes. Like, it's just, trust me, don't do it. All right, now I'm going to show you how I apply it, and I'll start with my front part right here. And basically I just grab a little applicator and I rub it on the powder and get it nice and coated, and I stamp and then I turn it in like little circular motions. You see the difference? And I try not to get too close to the front of my hair, just so it won't, I won't have like a big old stamp in like my forehead, because you want it to be not noticeable, obviously. Now I'm gonna do my back, and the way I do it is I grab a mirror, like a little compact mirror, so I can look behind and look in the mirror where I need to apply it. All right, now I just coated the applicator and stamp and circle. That one's done. Now I gotta do my other little area right here. And after that, I like to like brush my hair just a little bit. Not too much, I don't want to mess up my curls. But just at the top and a little bit. And then I'll double check to make sure that the entire area is covered. Alright, I missed a spot. That's a big spot right there. See right there? Alright. So, stamp. Alright, brush it one more time. And there you go. It is concealed. My hair looks a little more fuller. Now I don't have to worry about my thinning areas, and that's it, you guys. The only thing I do recommend is don't rub your fingers through your hair, because if you do, you'll get some of the product on your hands. So try hard not to rub your hair. That's the only like con. Pros, it fills out the thinning areas, your little patches or, you know, bald spots. Con is you can't really touch it because it'll transfer. Even if you have white bed sheets, don't lay on it. If you have this, just wash it off before you do that, because you don't want, I mean, it doesn't stain, but you don't want, you know, marks on the bed or anything like that, or on your pillow. I hope you guys like this tip. If it's helpful for you, let me know in the comments down below. If you have other tricks to help with like thinning areas, leave it in the comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.